Are you importing goods from China for your business? Reliable storage space will surely help you with your logistics. In this video, we'll talk about 1. The benefits of warehousing. 2. Types of warehouses. 3. Main services offered. 4. How to choose the best China warehouse for your business. Before we dive into these topics, let's define what is warehousing. Warehousing is the process of storing goods in a designated space or a structure. It is where the wares or goods are kept before they are sold or distributed. Warehouses differ in accessibility and services. Some are accessible to the public, some are not. Some stick to just storing the products, while some provide logistics services. What's in it for you to rent a warehouse for your goods in China? First, warehousing improves your business efficiency. This cuts the delivery points to 1. Instead of having your goods transported to your country from China, then to your customer's address, you can directly send the goods from China to your customer's doorsteps. Another advantage is the split shipment option. This is when an online order contains multiple products but is shipped on different days. Second, if you have different suppliers in the Chinese wholesale market, delivery dates also vary. You need storage for the delivered products while waiting for the other orders. Another consideration is when importing the goods to your country is not possible. This may be due to weather, new importing policies, availability of shipping companies, and the likes. Your goods are safe in a warehouse for the meantime until importing is already feasible. Third, warehousing in China optimizes your order processing and shipping. Here, the inventory of stocks is regularly monitored. You can easily track which product is in stock or sold out. Here, constant monitoring of goods is done. Aside from that, they have effective packaging and labeling process. Running a business is tedious, especially the logistic aspect. China warehouses can help you with this. They have a wide network and management facility. It's 2-in-1. You get your storage and they manage it for you. How's that sound? Paying less, saving more. Finally, if you wonder about the quality of service these warehouses in China offer, better stop worrying. The Chinese warehouses employ skilled, experienced, and well-trained staff. This places your products with shipment in good hands. Now let's get to know the types of warehouses. There are 5 types of warehouses. 1. Public warehouse. 2. Private warehouse. 3. Fulfillment warehouse. 4. Distribution warehouse. 5. Bonded warehouse. The public warehouse is government-owned. This type only provides storage at an affordable price. On the other hand, a private warehouse is owned and run by a single corporation like fulfillment and distribution centers. Here, they provide management and storage of your goods. Next is fulfillment warehouse. It is a third party of logistics, also called 3PL. The orders here are received, processed, and filled. As for the distribution warehouse, it is designed to service goods nearing the end of the supply chain. Goods are stored here ready to be distributed to retailers. Lastly, the bonded warehouse. The imported goods stored here are waiting for clearance from customs. Different types of warehouses offer different services. Now let's understand the main services offered. 1. Warehousing and storage. This is the standard service you will find in every China warehouse. Inventory management and demand forecasting play a crucial role. It helps a lot to maintain a lean supply chain. 2. Selecting and packing. In the fulfillment of orders, the most important services are picking and packaging. Items are packed based on a list before delivery. 3. Order processing. Here, orders are sent out. An electronic copy is generated once the consumer clicks the buy button. Then the picking and packing started. The last step is handing the products over to the courier for transporting, which is the end stage of the supply chain. 4. Shipping. You can select from many couriers. The main ones are USPS, UPS, and FedEx in the US. 5. Returns processing. For returns or reverse logistics, you can opt to have the returns sent to you, or you can have them managed by the 3PL. 6. Cross-docking. China warehouses allow quick filling of back orders. Some of them offer distribution services. Instead of putting the back order on the shelves for inbound, they grab the products from the receiving dock. 7. Assembling and knitting. This service involves the combination of many SKU or stock-keeping units. A scannable barcode, often seen on printed labels in retail stores. Packaging the products to ensure safe delivery is included. 8. Locations of warehouses is considered the most crucial factor in order fulfillment. E-commerce enterprises can reach customers from any location. Therefore, warehousing gives you the freedom to determine the storage location. Sitting inventory is given service. 9. Inventory management. Some 3PL can assist you with client inventory planning. This means that a company can control several warehouses where they store their products. 10. Palletized transport. Traditional order fulfillment picks up one or more items, boxes up the order, and ships it to the customer. For palletized shipping, multiple products or merchandise are loaded onto pallets and secured for bulk shipping. Usually, plastic film is used to hold the products in place. The shipment is bulky, so FedEx Freight or a trucking company handles this kind of cargo. 11. Help in supply chain management. This is similar to a help desk. The service providers appoint some staff to resolve any issues and answer the queries of the clients to the best of their knowledge. Choosing the right warehouse will greatly impact your business in one way or the other, so consider the following tips. 1. Find an inexpensive and cost-effective China warehouse. Find one that's within your budget and can meet your requirements. You can search online for this to compare the warehouse services and their prices. 2. The warehouse location in China should be considered. The nearer it is to the production site, the better. For general cargo trade, suppliers are within Guangdong, Zhejiang, and Shanghai. Major cities in Guangdong include Shenzhen, Guangdong, and Dongyuan. In Zhejiang, we have Hangzhou, Yiwu, and Ningbo. Another is in Shanghai. If your suppliers are near these provinces, it's best to choose warehouses from these areas because they are near ports. 3. Choose the warehouse according to your business. Take advantage of the services the China warehouses can offer, but only select the one that can meet most of your needs. 4. Ensure safety. Weather can affect your inventory when the warehouse is not in good condition. Consider structure's ability to protect your good against different weather conditions. 5. Finally, look for security systems to monitor your goods. The warehouse should have enough cameras installed to secure your products. The final question that needs to be answered is how to find the right warehouse in China. Here are the methods. 1. If you are a foreigner, visit China. There are many warehousing options to choose from in the local market. Go to wholesale markets and talk to suppliers. They can link you up with warehouse people. 2. Another option is contacting different Chinese sourcing companies. Consider using their services, which is to find a product supplier. They can also offer other services upon request. 3. Information is within your fingertips. Use the internet to search from available platforms like Alibaba. You can also search for warehouse contacts in your browser, but the question doesn't stop here. Do you know if warehouses in China bear the burden of damaged goods? The answer is yes. Some compensate their customers, so it's your right to file a claim for the damage. Here are the key takeaways from this video. 1. Renting a warehouse in China optimizes your business efficiency. However, buying one could be complicated, especially for foreigners. 2. Align the services of the warehouse with your business needs. 3. Consider your budget and look for the most affordable warehouse. 4. Warehouse location has a great impact on the business. It should be both accessible to the supplier to deliver the products and the seaport for shipping them. 5. Search your browser for warehousing company contact. Then you can visit China and conduct an ocular inspection. This way, you can ensure that the facility can provide both safety and security for your goods. Doing business isn't a walk in the park, but knowing what, where, and how to look for your business needs will surely impact your business in a positive way. Knowing your purpose and researching can surely go a long way. That's all from my side about importing products from China. Thanks for your watching. I hope you can benefit from this video. If you still have questions, ask below in the comments section, or you can get in touch with us. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.